Arithmetic Progression CBSE Class 10 Exercise 5.4 Question number 4. According to this question, the houses are numbered like 1, 2, 3 and up to 49. And one of the house that is of X number, and according to this question it is given that the preceding house numbers sum and the successive house numbers sum, they are equal, means the sum of these numbers should be equals to the sum of these numbers. Okay, so from 1 to x minus 1, that is s x minus 1 according to Sn. So and since the difference is same 1 1, so difference is d, common difference is 1, so they are in AP because that is constant, and the first term is 1, so we can apply Sn formula there. So as we know that Sn equals to n by 2 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So we will just apply this formula. So n by 2 in place of n we will apply x minus 1. So x minus 1 upon 2, 2 into 1 2 plus x minus 1 minus 1 into 1. So that is x minus 1 upon 2, and this is 2 plus x minus 2, is it? So minus 2 will cancel out and you will get x minus 1 upon 2 into x. So this is the sum of x minus 1, the preceding one. Now successive one, but we don't know the first term here. So we can write the whole sum, means from 1 to 49, their sum. If we take from there, if we subtract up to x, because up to x the first term we know 1, and for up to 49 also we know the first term 1. So if we take the sum of up to 49 and then subtract the sum of up to x, then we will get the sum of this x plus 1 to 49. Okay, so sum of x minus 1 to 49, that can be written as s 49 minus s x. Okay, and according to the question it is given that s x minus 1 equals to s 49 minus sx. Okay, so just s here we have got this one, so x into x minus 1 upon 2. Okay, and here up to 49 their sum, so that is n by 2, that is 49 by 2, 2a, that is 2 plus n minus 1, that is 48. Okay, or we can apply the sum of natural numbers, n into n plus 1 upon 2, that formula also we can apply here. Okay, and then minus sx, for sx x by 2, because n by 2 in place of n, x we will apply, so that is x by 2 2a, that is 2 plus n minus 1, so x minus 1, okay, into d is 1. Okay, so x into x minus 1 upon 2 equals to 49 by 2 into 50 minus x by 2, and this is x, and this is plus 2 minus 1, so plus 1. Now we will solve this to get the value of x. So we can see here that every terms having the 2 as a denominator, so that can be cancelled out. Okay, So we are getting x into x minus 1 equals to 49 into 50 minus x into x plus 1. Now just we have to find out the x, so we will write all the x in the same side. So x square minus x, and this is plus x square and plus x. In that side x square minus x, so in this side it will be plus x square plus x equals to 49 into 50. So this x cancel out, so you are getting 2x square equals to 49 into 50. So x square equals to 49 into, if you divide 2 with that, 25. So we avoid the negative one, positive one. So root over 49 is 7 and root over 25 is 5. So that is 35. That will be our answer. So 35 number is the house number whose preceding sum and the successive sum, they are equal.